Hi guys, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to take a look at the Survival Pocket Fishing Kit by Polymath products. So this comes in around a tenner and it's a great little kit if ever you're a fan of the Polymath products. I've got quite a few of them, I buy them. There's some good stuff, very reasonably priced as well. So we'll take a quick desktop look at this and just see what you get. Ideal in time for Christmas, if you're looking for stocking fillers for your old man, your dad, your brother, your sister, your mum, whatever it may be. So we'll take a quick look at this and see how you like it and see what it looks like. So that's the Pocket Survival Kit, Fishing Kit by Polymath products. So here we are, there's the Survival Fishing Kit by Polymath products. You can get them on Amazon or direct on the website. This particular little kit is $9.99. Polymath products do some really good, reasonably priced kits. If you look back at some of my videos, you'll see what I've got. Kind of the only one I've never bought is the Premium Survival Kit, but I won't talk about that one on this one. But in my opinion, I wouldn't have called it a Premium Survival Kit. But what do I know? Right? What do I know? So inside we get some information about what's in the kit, which is handy. Have a wee look at that when you get it. Also gives you some diagrams of how to use it, different things. Okay, and even basics of how to tie a knot if you've not fished before and you need to tie a blood knot and stuff like that. So it's a neat little fishing kit, small enough to go into any pack, any like your pocket or any even inside another tin and stuff like that. It weighs 54 grams, so it's really light. It's got actually quite a comprehensive kit in it when you look at it, the amount of contents. So it's got 50 meters of line, which is what around about 164 feet, and it's 10 pound line, 10 pound breaking strain. It's got a catch net. It's got two 5 gram weights. It's got 2 jig heads. It's weighing a gram. It's got 1 jig head weighing 3.5 grams. 4 hooks size 10, 4 brass eye screws, 4 times barrel swivels, 1 times shad lure, 2 maggot lures, 2 bloodworm lures, 2 flash spoons, 2 glow sticks, 1 attractant liquid, 1 balloon and 1 rubber band. So let's take a look. So this is inside the kit itself. It's got a nice little box, so once you've taken it out you can just store it within the box itself. Let's get everything out there. And what I mean about that is you can just use that if you're keeping the line on something else. So there's your hand line. That's your 10 pound line. What I like about this is you can actually use this as your hand spool. So you can hold it against a rod, a stick when you make a fishing rod or a casting stick. That's the reason why you get the brass eyelets. You can also make bank anglers. So what do I mean by that is just bank lines. So when you've got bank lines you can use the eyelets and that in pieces of steak and stuff and just make anglers traps. I'm sure you've all seen those on different types of videos. So there's your brass eyelets. So what you do with those is you'd find a decent sized branch and you'd screw those in. I'll do a video on it, and to make eyelets for your line, and then you've got like your hand line, run them through on your line, so you're basically making a makeshift fishing rod. You've got your different lures and your weights. It's actually a really good kit. So there's a hook sneaking off. Good container with the rubber band to put around once you're finished to keep it nice and tight. That's your net. So your net basically is for catching small things like in the UK we call them minnows, or little silverbacks and stuff. So whenever you were kids you'd buy a hand net and fish with them and catch them, and then the likes of the minnows and stuff, you would just use them to feed. You can use them for bait basically for your crabs and stuff. You know, we call them sticklebacks, minnows, sticklebacks, whatever region you were from you'd see that. So there's your 2 little silooms. Again, most of us carry these in our kits anyways, so we can replace those. Okay, there's your balloon. Use the balloon like a float, so once you put it on your line, on your top line, and you've got your hook sinker line off it, and that's fully expanded, and then it'll just pull, it'll hold the line up off the bottom. You know, if you're a fisherman, you'll know there's different feeding fish for different areas. That's your attractant. So what that's used for is, if it's murky water, then you'd use your attractant for it. Again, it can be made with anything stinky really to attract the fish, and these are just your different weights. And your different lures. So these are your blood lures. They're actually really good, and you just thread them through the line, thread them through the hook. There's your flash spoons. Again, add them to your line, add them to your hook. The diagram does explain it. Good little jig weights, look. So they're really smart. I like those. And then your swivels, your different size swivels. Obviously, for guys like us with big hands, these aren't actually always ideal to thread, and you've got to think about the weather you're working in, your extremities, cold weather, wet weather, and stuff like that. So it'd actually be a really good idea to preset some of your kit. So although we carry these pocket survival kits as is, if you actually pre-make some of your lures and some of your lines and actually set it so all you're doing is putting out your line basically within the box, then that's a lot easier for you, especially if you're working against the elements. And your different hooks. So there's your larger one with the weight already on it. And then your smaller hooks, your size 10s. So you've got 4 size 10s. Again, a good overall size. All barbless these days. Gone are the days of treble hooks and barbed hooks. So they've got a nice curvature on those. I like those. And then your different jig heads. And then your maggots. And your flash spoons and your balloon. So that's your little kit from Polymath Products Pocket Survival Kit, fishing kit. I really like that. I think it's a great little kit, that. See how good quality it is. Let's get the camera to focus. So for a tenner, it's a really compact little kit. You'll like a lot. Worth adding to it. We'll get some. I'll make a casting stick really on another video, and we can see what that looks like, and I'll show you a few pictures added to that. But overall, I think it's a pretty decent kit, and I like the quality of it. We'll see what you guys think. So that was just a quick look at the Polymath Products Pocket Survival Fishing Kit. I keep saying survival kit, but that's just habit. I like it for a tenner. Don't forget, come in near Christmas. You can look these kits up. I think it's a good varied kit, that good quality really. Some you only get like 2 hooks and 10-foot line, and that's it. Just, you know, the £10 fishing line, you could change that out yourselves. My only advice is preset your lines. So it's great having a kit like that, but think about your environments, where you're at, and how hold you know, and where it's going to be and stuff like that. Preset your lines, so sit there and before I take the kit out, make a couple of lead lines up so that you've already got them preset, so all you're doing is taking them out of here and then putting them onto your bank lines and things like that. That's my advice with that, guys. Hope you like that little desktop look. We'll get some practical videos done in the future. Please, if you're not already, hit the subscribe, it helps the channel grow, and if not, hit the like if you like it, and if you don't, you don't. But let's keep these videos coming, and I hope to do a lot more, and I hope to get some practical ones out there. But as always, guys, I thank each and every one of you for following me, and I don't post that regular, it's just nature of the beast, like the rest of us. If you're fortunate enough to post 3 or 4 times a day, good luck, and if not, every couple of months, then we just keep it going. Most of us do this just as a wee hobby, so it's what we like to do. But yep, there it is. Take a look for a tenner. Can't really fault it. Just remember, preset your lines, guys. Thanks always for supporting me, guys. Stay safe out there. Del out.